What's up, everyone? It's the Wayne from Fade to Black, and it looks like we gotta do more stripping. What's up, everyone? It's Wayne from Fade to Black. Man, I am totally off my upload schedule. I was trying to do one video a week, but I've just been so busy. The snow is gone, the demand for window film is here, and other vehicle accessories, auto restyling modifications, and it's just been crazy. So I was trying to keep up. But I don't know when I'm gonna get this video uploaded, but I thought, you know what? I got an awesome freaking audience in the shop today, and I wanted to show you guys what's going on with it. Now, this customer has built a really nice Audi, and the tint on it is just a little bit too light. Now, it is a coupe, which is nice because a couple more doors less than a sedan, but we gotta strip all this old film off, put some new film on because he wants to go darker and get him rolling. He is rolling on some awesome 3-piece wheels. It's been lowered. I'm an Audi fan. I think Audis look really good when they're done up, and this one looks good too. And it's gonna look even better once we get this old tint stripped off and new tint installed. So I hope you guys hang out with me and get him rolling. So what's up everyone, I got the install completed on this one. Like I said before, he just wanted to go darker on it. So I removed the fronts, I removed the sides, but you know what? I did something different on this one. When I was removing the fronts and the side, a lot of glue was coming off. But when I was looking at the film, it still looked like a really nice film. It wasn't faded, it didn't have any issues, there was no bubbles, there was no peeling. So what I did is I just went over the back piece of film, I left it on there, and I think it came out awesome. Now I know some people probably say, you probably shouldn't do that. You don't know how the film underneath is gonna last. What if the film goes bad underneath or whatever the case? But you know what, I'm not worried about that. If it ever comes down to it, if the customer ever has the issues, I will pull off my film, and hopefully when I pull my film off, it will stick to the other old film just as good. It'll bond to that, so when I heat it up, the whole piece of film comes off. I was kind of nervous because when I was pulling the sides off, there was a lot of glue residue left. So that means I could have risked damaging the rear defroster. I could have risked having to sit here for a very long time, scraping glue, trying to use some chemical stripper and try to strip that off, and I didn't want to do that. Generally, being darker in the rear of the car is better than having your front windows dark and then having the rear windows light. That kind of looks crazy. So I went 20% over the rear piece of film that was on there. I'm thinking the rear piece of film, it had to be either 50% or 35. Like I said, I didn't install it, so I didn't know what it was. The sides and the corner windows are now 20% frameless windows, so frameless windows are pretty easy to do. Like I said, you pop the door thing so the window stays up, you tint it, let it dry for a while. Usually when I'm done with the whole car, I'll come back and pop the door switches so the windows go back down, and I haven't had any issues. So once again, let's do a walk around footage and check the car out a little bit. Thanks for watching the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a share. That just let YouTube know that people are watching, and I will try to be back with another video when I get a chance. But stay faded. Peace.